It's Wednesday morning, active rest day. We've got the articulate your spine this morning, and we got the mat laid down and ready to go. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. So the articulate your spine is a Pilates routine. That's got names for it, but the idea is the spinal articulation. And this one is the idea is to try to move slowly and try to concentrate on one vertebrae at a time. For me, it's a stretch routine. I have been trying to focus on that movement for the last month and a half, and it does make a difference if you do that. So we'll continue to focus on that and see if I can get better at it. Wouldn't say I'm any kind of Pilates expert, but I do this to get a good stretch. So we're gonna get this, it's 6 moves, takes 5-6 minutes. It's a short routine, so we'll get that done and go out on a walk only. Still working on leg recovery from yesterday. My legs are a little bit sore from yesterday's workout. I could jog, but I'm just gonna work on the recovery. I'm not a runner, so been doing the jogging because it's been feeling like it's been doing some good for me. Not sure if it's contradicting with my workouts in the weight room, the way I'm jogging or not, but anyway, that's not the point. I'm trying to meet age with grace, so that's where we're at. So anyway, we're gonna get this articulate your spine routine done, then we're gonna head out on a walk. We'll come back and chat about how it went. So here we are at Wednesday. Let's get her started. Let's do some longevity training so we can meet age with grace. Let's hit it. Here we go. All right, active rest day is done. So Wednesday's in the books, Wednesday workout at least. So Wednesday we've got to go rest the way up to the hill and get over lunch, and then we'll be down the hillside. So, or on the downhill side is what I mean to say. So anyway, articulate your spine, that went well. Got a really good stretch. Did take it slow, and the roll up, can definitely, engage the spine slowly there. Whether I can feel vertebrae level or not, I don't know. I don't think so. But you can definitely take it slow and really roll into it. And the roll-ups and also the bridge, glute bridge, when you get to the top of that, and if you really curl up, you can get the opposite effect and really kind of focus on getting all those vertebrae curled up. So both those moves actually feel pretty good when you do that. And of course the forward stretch, you get a little bit of back roll in there, but I'm mostly working on stretching my hamstrings there. So they have 2 different moves at the beginning. Both of them, it's like the neck pull forward, and then the other one's just called the forward stretch. The picture on them, they look the same. Even the animation they show, they look the same. I guess I should look at the description to see if they say to do them a little differently or not. But anyway, got through the articulated spine, 5 minutes worth, 5.5 minutes worth or so. And then just finished up my walk. So the walk was 2.47 miles or so, and walk only at a 15:30 pace, I think, 15:30s. So not fast, not slow, right in the middle, kind of right between. A little brisk for me, meaning it wasn't it broke a sweat, but we're getting to that weather. We're almost getting to tank top weather. I mean, it's moving fast. So it's pretty humid today. So temperature wise, it's nice, but the humidity levels are up, and a little bit still. Every once in a while there's a breeze and that'll cool you off pretty quick if you got a sweat broke. But anyway, we'll let you go. We'll get this day on the road and be back out tomorrow for the back workout. We'll be hitting the pull-ups with the red band, 4 sets of 8. No increment on those this week because I don't have enough bands to go through increments, and I don't know that I could do 4 sets of 8 with the smallest band anyway. That yellow band's pretty tiny. It's about the size of a pencil, and I don't think it provides much assistance, but we'll definitely move to the blue next week. We're definitely gonna do the red tomorrow, and we'll move to the blue next week. Maybe we'll do 2 sets of red and 2 sets of blue, or maybe a last set of blue, and see how that feels. But anyway, we got the back workout tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll pick up the jog pace again and see how that feels. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. You guys take care, stay safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. Here we go. See ya. Take care.